What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I'm an operator, moderator, lead trader at Option Goats Trading LLC. That's right, we're based out of the state of Wisconsin. This is your swing recap for the week of January 17th. I wanted to wait a little bit because there is something going on in the market. So I didn't do it Monday, I didn't do it Tuesday. Today's Wednesday, I'm doing the recap for last week. So I'll go over a couple things and then we're going to look at a couple charts because there's a couple things that are happening right now that I'd like to go over, and then we can get started here. All right, so let's see here. Let's see, so this is for the 17th. So let's start on right here. Nice, Ghost making some money here on Palantir and SPX, killing it on the day trades. Him and Zeke are killing it lately, so good job there. Rom killing it as well on SPY, looks like on the 450 put. I'm going to show you that that would be worth a lot right now. Young Goku making 380 bucks on his Tesla call that he made as a day trade. He called that out member trade. So nice job there, Young Goku. That's a really good trade. And then we collected 100% on our ITCI that we made earlier a couple weeks ago that we got to collect. So let's go over some of the swing trades that we had for that day. Let's see here. Oh, for some reason, I'm having trouble opening it up. Give me 1 second. Weird. Well, I can still go over the positions I have. That's weird that it's not popping up right now. Let's see here. I know them all by heart anyway, so let's take a look. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Check out our website at optiongoatsllc.com. If you use the code SPRING30, you would get $30 per month for 3 months instead of paying $60 per month, and you get the bot. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, please feel free to message us. You can always do that on our website. You go all the way down to the bottom, go straight to our email. All right, so and just so you know, if you're ever curious, like, hey, Jim, I don't really know anything. I don't know anything about options. If you want to learn, again, I'm not a licensed financial professional. If you need financial help, please contact a financial advisor. Check out Credit Spread Crash Course. It's on our YouTube. And then also check out Debit Spread Crash Course. That just goes over how to use options as spreads, which how I think is that everybody should learn how to do spreads before you actually just start buying buys and puts, just because that can cause people to lose money pretty fast just because you're buying something that's dying. If you go into those videos, I can go more into that if you'd like, but just want to make sure I go over that with you. We did collect everything that we needed on ITCI, so that was really good. Let's take a look at SOXL. So we sold, maybe it pops up now. Weird, yeah, it's not popping up. We sold a put spread on SOXL. SOXL is a semiconductor stock. Basically, it's 3 times leverage. So we sold a 42.43 put. You know what? I might be able to actually pull up the exact strikes on my desktop for some reason. I don't know why it's not working on here. Okay. So yeah, let's see. SOXL. Here we go. So we sold the 43, bought the 42, expiration's 2/18, so it's got like 2 or 3 weeks left. We sold for a premium of $35. So we sold this for $35. Our max loss is 65. Now, we did enter this when it was above it, so we didn't get the 50-50 ratio on that. But right now it is popped back over between 42 and 43. We do have some time now, and right now there's a lot of Fed action going on with them planning on hike up the rates in March. So that's something that we're considering. This is going to be all the way over here, so I'm expecting it to be above this level on this date right here, okay? What was the next one? So we still got the Roblox spread. On the Roblox spread, we are way below where our put spread would be. I was thinking that this was going to, dance around the 50 SMA and then take off. Instead, it just is bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. So that long position is not going to be a winner. That will most likely be a full loss. We did sell that one for $37, max loss is 63. So right now we're down on it. So we'll most likely having to take the full loss on it. Billy, so this is a good trade. See the red lines. We did sell a call spread on Billy. The 46.47, we sold it for $49 at max loss. It's 51. It's way below our strike. So obviously we're going to let this expire on the 11th, which would be not next week, but the week after. That one we did sell for $49, 51 bucks as a max loss. So that one we captured a lot of premium on that call spread. So I'm really happy about that one. We're just going to let that one sit for a bit. Let's see here. So not on forward. We're not going to go over forward. Just because that was this week's play. That will be on next week's because I like to get a little bit more time on it. X, we're not going to go over that. Okay, Riot. So this is another one that's kind of like the Roblox deal. We sold a 23. Let's see, what did we do here? We sold a 92 and then we sold the 93 and bought the 92 put for 2.4 for next week. And as of right now, it's not looking good. Or excuse me, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Riot, here we go. Sold the 24 put, bought the 23 put. Expiration is 218. So yeah, we do have a little bit of time. Do I think it's going to rocket back up? Unless Bitcoin takes off again, this is going to be a dead play again, which is, I'm not that mad about this one because we collected 55 bucks. So our max loss is 45. So on some of these plays where we're buying the dip, I think it honestly might be a little bit better if we actually just go at the money in case it continues to bleed down. And if not, then at least we got a lot more premium than what we're used to. Instead of a 30-70, we get more of a 40-60 or a 50-50 ratio. So this one we most likely will be eating the loss on, but again, it's only 45 bucks. So we could have been a lot less, a lot more, like 30 or 40 bucks more. So on that play, we kind of know what's going on with that one. Last but not least, Baba. So this is what we did with Baba last week is we sold the 130. We did big. We went a little bigger on this one. So we sold the 130 call, which is right here, this line right here. And then we bought the 135. It is for 318. So it is way out, like over here is our expiration. It's way below that. It's way below the spread, which is amazing. Right now we're up like 40, 45, 46%. And we are like $25 away, or excuse me, $15 away from the spread. So we're just collecting premium every day that goes by. So really happy with that play because we sold it. That's a 5 strike price spread. So 500 credit. We sold it for 230, max loss is 270. And right now we're up 120, 130 bucks. So really happy. Might even close on that this week because that is just a really good gainer. And we don't want it to turn red. It also has earnings on the 2nd. So do I think it's going to have good or it's going to go up? Good earnings or go up? I really don't think so. It's Baba. It's a Chinese stock. Not really thinking unless it starts bouncing at this 111 level. I'm not really worried about anything there. We're still collecting on Sheeb. So we're still adding about 100 bucks every 2 weeks on Sheeb. This is what it looks like. It's way below. It started crashing when the market started crashing as well. And then we also have a Mountain Atom USD, which is a 5% APY. I've been doing a little bit more finagling with the pools and the like the really high interest, returning interest. I'll have to do another video on that because there's so much into it that I'm not even halfway covered, like to covering what exactly it is. So, and I want to make sure that I'm explaining it correctly on the videos. So other than that, let's take a look at the overall market real quick. So this is what happened last week is we were just consolidating, and then we came down when the Fed said that they were going to hike up the rates. Today, right now, as we speak, was the FOMC meeting this morning. They right here, they unleashed that they were going to keep the rates unchanged, which means they stay at 0 to 0.25. And then I think he started just Jerome Powell just started talking about inflation, and it looks like the market doesn't really like that. But if we take a closer look here, is it really coming down like hard off that exact news? Not really. What's really going on is that the volatility is just spiking like crazy. And I think we're getting just a lot of mixed emotions right now. It's now at the 435 major level, which I could see it go back down to 431, 432, and then we take off. But I do think that the dip is already in. I do think that this right here was back down to our 430s levels. And I do think we're going to just keep taking off. So I went long on a couple positions. I'm not going to disclose them on this video, but if you're in the chat, you'll know which positions I'm talking about. So I did buy the dip. We'll see what happens there. Did I put a lot of my portfolio? No, I'm sitting on a lot of cash right now. Our long-term position on stock on PDT did take a massive hit on what this stock usually likes to just flutter around, and during that crash it really got hit. These energy stocks really got hit, so we're still getting paid our divvy, but PDT might be on a fire sale, which I might be buying more of. So really afforded to see what's going to happen here. Are we going to consolidate and keep going up? We're going to go down, keep going down. I really think we're going to either consolidate or we're going to go back up again. I have a 66% chance of knowing if that's right or wrong, right? Because I'm picking two directions. If you watch the credit spread crash course, that's basically how I trade. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Check out Option Goats Trading. Check out optiongoatsllc.com. And then don't forget to check out our chat as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really excited to see what happens next week. Stay safe out there, manage your risk. If you have any questions, feel free to go to the bottom of our website and fill out that your name, your email, the subject, the message, and we'll go through that. But again, another shout out to some of the trades that we had last week on Ghost, and especially young Goku on that Tesla trade. This was just insane. Made a quick 380 bucks on that $1,100 call. And then we also had Rom killing it on his SPY 450 put right here, up 78%. Actually, that wasn't the one I wanted to show. It was this one. Let's see. Oh no, that was this week, which I'll go over next week. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe out there. Check out our other videos. Watch the SPY, watch the news, put something on. There's a lot going on, and the IV is absolutely nuts. So if you're selling premium, you know what I mean when I say that. Stay safe and make sure you're doing it. Make sure you're doing it safely. I'm not a financial advisor. If you need financial help, please contact a financial professional. Thank you for watching this video. This is your swing recap for the week of January 17, 2022. Happy New Year. Thank you guys. Have a good rest of the week. We'll see you next time. I'll see you this weekend or Monday or Tuesday next week, and we'll have to see what happens. Tick hitting 1100 under. That means we're going down. All right, guys. Thank you so much.